Good morning, students. So in our today's lecture, we are going to revise the tenses present indefinite and present continuous tenses. We are just going to revise both of these tenses, because as you already know that we have already learned both of these tenses in our classes in detail. So today just we are going to revise them once. So as you can see from the board, the first tense is present indefinite tense. So as you already know how we formulate this sentence: subject plus first form of verb plus addition of s and es plus object. As you know that we use s and es in this tense, just s and es, not any specific helping verb. We just use s and es. Moving further, let's take a look on its examples. So first example is वो सेब खाता है. He eats apple. As you can see, we have added s because it's the first form, and in the starting of the sentence we have used he. So with he, she, it, name and any singular thing we use s or es, but with plural things, for example we, they, you, we have no need to add s or es. Moving further, let's take a look on the negative formula of present indefinite tense. As you can see from the board, subject plus does or do not plus first form plus object. So if you see the example, वो सेब नहीं खाता है. He does not eat apple. So we use does with the singular things and we use do with the plural things. Next we have interrogative tense. As you can see, does plus do plus subject plus first form plus object, and its example is क्या वो सेब खाता है. Example in English, does he eat apple? Now there are some sentences in the bottom for your practice. You have to learn them very well. You have to learn the formula of these tenses, and the sentences that I have mentioned in the bottom, you have to do them in your notebook as well. Okay, look at the present continuous tense. As you can see from the board, subject plus helping verb, and we use is, am, are in this tense, plus first form with ing plus object. Its example is वो खत लिख रही है. She is writing a letter. As you can see, we have used ing with the first form. We have used helping verb is with she. Now, as you already know that we use is with he, she, it, name, and we use, it means we use is with the singular things. We use are with plural things, and we use am with just I. Next is negative formula. So how we formulate the present continuous tense in negative? As you can see, subject plus helping verb plus not plus helping first form with ing plus object. Its example is वो खत नहीं लिख रही है. She is not writing a letter. We have just added not and that's it. Next is interrogative. Helping verb plus subject plus first form with ing plus object. Now its example is क्या वो खत लिख रही है. Is she writing a letter? Now, same as the present indefinite tense, I have mentioned some sentences in the bottom. You have to done all these tenses in your notebooks, and you have to practice them very well. Thank you so much.